Windows 10 opens any item with double-click, but you can change it to single-click. Let's see how to do it. Click on File Explorer. Click on File menu, presented left top of the window. Click on Change Folder and Search Options. Under Click Items as Follows section, click on the radio button present before. Single-click to open an item. Click on the radio button present before. Underline icon titles only when I point at them. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Now, any item opens with single click. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers